Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many lawn mower owners go by the 3-year rule. Of course, the easy repairs are not considered a problem, and even some expensive repairs may be worth it if your mower is less than 3 years old, but not worth it if the machine is older. If the mower's engine is liquid-cooled, then multiply the horsepower by 150.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your lawnmower is functioning well, do not replace it. After all, most mowers will last 7 to 10 years. However, not all mowers are manufactured to last that long. If yours is already experiencing issues, it may be time for a replacement.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average lawnmower lasts 8 to 10 years with proper maintenance and care. A lawnmower that is not maintained may last 1/2 that time. Some manufacturers measure the service life of their lawnmowers and components in hours of use.
Let's help you make your mark.
Average life expectancy. The same report says that consumers spend an average of about $300 for a walk-behind mower, meaning the average mower gives a year of life for every $30 to $43 spent, depending on the model. Manufacturers estimate the predicted lifespan of robotic lawnmowers at 8 to 10 years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.